Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have Chrome installed. Now make it the system default so links go where you expect. Open Settings and go to Apps, then Default Apps. Once there, search for Chrome, select it, and click the button to set defaults. This changes the main browser handler quickly. Make sure you run as the user who clicks links, system, or other user accounts need the same change. After this first pass, proceed to adjust HTTP, HTTPS, and HTML associations explicitly so nothing falls back to Edge. Once done with the basic default, drill into protocol and file associations so every link type uses Chrome. In Default Apps, scroll to choose Defaults by Protocol and change HTTP and HTTPS to Chrome. Then use Choose Defaults by File Type to set HTML and HTML to Chrome too. This prevents desktop shortcuts and files from opening in Edge. Also inspect Mail and Calendar apps because some apps override browser choice. Change their internal link settings to honor the system default. You're almost done. Restart your browser and any apps that open links, then test links from email, chat, and shortcuts to confirm Chrome opens. If certain apps like Office still route to Edge, open their settings and change the in-app browser or link behavior to use the system default. Some versions require explicit toggles. Once everything is set, reboot to apply system-wide changes. If links still open in Edge, reinstall Chrome or reset default apps and repeat the protocol associations. That resolves stubborn overrides most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.